Yes, Gido Academy is back. I know most of us have been wondering, where have you been? Is NYC actually? And I have a lot of things in mind, a lot of things, not even in mind. I've created a lot of videos already, and due to one reason, I have not been able to post them. But officially, I'm going to start creating content for Gido Academy this very week. For Gido Academy, a lot of content will be dropping this very week. If you are a student who genuinely want to do excellently well in your academies, you know someone, you know a brother, you know a sister, you have a brother, you have a sister that is finding it difficult to assimilate, finding it difficult to understand, finding it difficult to learn, finding it difficult to come out with good grade. That is exactly what Gido Academy is known for. I actually created this video to create an awareness to every one of us, my followers, my subscribers, that Gido Academy is back. And we have a lot of things in our table. We have a lot of things to do, a lot. When I say a lot, I mean a lot of things. So please, just prepare yourself, prepare your mind, prepare your body, prepare your soul. If you truly want to excel your academics, if you truly want to know what you are doing in school, if you truly want to balance your academics and every other aspect of your life, then there is need for you to follow this account, because more videos on academic excellence will be dropping soon. Thank you.